Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to avoid death by PowerPoint. First, let's talk about visuals. Ditch those text-heavy slides and embrace the power of imagery. Aim for no more than 6 lines of text per slide, and ideally, focus on one core idea per visual. High-quality graphics and photos can convey your message far more effectively than a wall of words, keeping your audience engaged and your presentation memorable. Next, let's focus on keeping your content concise. A great guideline is the 10-20-30 rule: 10 slides, 20 minutes, and a minimum font size of 30 points. This structure forces you to distill your message to its essence, ensuring every word counts. Delivering your presentation in 20 minutes or less respects your audience's time and maintains their attention, preventing information overload and boredom. Engaging your audience is crucial for a lively presentation. Don't just talk at them, involve them. Try incorporating interactive elements such as quick polls or asking thought-provoking questions. Weave in personal anecdotes or compelling stories to make your points relatable and memorable. Remember to maintain strong eye contact and vary your vocal tone and pace to keep listeners captivated throughout your entire talk. Finally, excellent delivery is key to avoiding a dull presentation. Practice, practice, practice. Rehearse your talk several times until you know your material inside and out, allowing you to speak naturally and confidently without relying heavily on your slides. Your enthusiasm is contagious, so focus on delivering a dynamic and engaging performance. A well-rehearsed, confident speaker can transform even complex information into an enjoyable experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.